What is naloxone? Naloxone, otherwise known as Narcan, is the antidote to an opioid overdose. It works in the same way. It interacts with the same receptors in the brain as do the opioids. However, it reverses the effects. So if a person's breathing in overdose is impaired, they stop breathing, the Narcan or naloxone can reverse this and help improve breathing. It is commercially available. It's available at pharmacies. Toronto employees carry it, including police, librarians, people in safe injection sites. It comes as an intravenous form, so in a solution. However, they've adapted new kits that can be given both in the muscle and intranasally. So in each kit is a syringe, and the syringe can be attached to a needle to go through the skin into a muscle, or the syringe can be attached to like a sponge-like object that's inserted into the nose of the non-breathing person, and it's injected. The body absorbs this very quickly, and it can reverse an overdose. It's a very effective drug.